Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the Kivy installation of Windows, which seems to be much more difficult than installing it on other operating systems. In order to do that, please find and download and install the most suitable version of Python through the link python.org. And as you can see, the all available releases for Windows are here, and I have already downloaded the Python version 3.6.4, and here is mine. Okay, before downloading and installing the Kivy itself, there are some environmental variables which have to be defined. But first of all, let me say that the environmental variables are some variables on the Windows which help the application and programs to find their needed files. For example, the most common environmental variable in Windows is name path, which is named path, and help the programs to find their needed files at the initialization. Okay, I don't know whether we can call it a problem or not, but the Python doesn't define its environmental variables at the initialization of the setup, and that's the job you have to do. In order to define these variables, just go to your control panel. Where is it? Yeah. And find the environmental variables. And if you can't find it like me, never mind, we can search it. Yes, there it is. Edit the system environment variables and environment variables, and here the system variables. Find the path, here it is, and double click, or you can also click on the edit to open the edit window. As you can see, the variable name is path and the values are here. There should be some values for your computer, but not the Python, and you have to add it just as I did. Please add the Python itself, the folder containing Python itself, like this, and the file containing library, and also the DLL. Okay, just copy and paste it because we need it again. Click OK and find the Python path here. But if you can't find it, never mind. You can click on the new variable name, just write Python path. Just notice that the letters should be in capital, and the variable value should be the same as path as I told you to copy it. Okay, click on the OK, and then OK and OK. So we have defined the environment variables. Now we are going to install the Kivy itself, but before that, go to the download, and here for Windows there is an instruction for installation. Okay, here there are 4 steps, as you can see, from here to here. There are 4 steps that we have to follow until we get to the Kivy. Open your command window, which you can find it by searching cmd, and run it as an administrator. Yes, if you type just python -- version here, you can see the version of your Python, and it shows that everything's good. So now we are going to install the dependencies. First of all, you can just copy and paste it in your command window. Oh, excuse me, sorry. And as you can see, because since I already had installed, it said that the requirement already up to date because I installed it just before. So before going through the second step, there are some important dependencies which are called Cython and Pygame. Yes, Cython and Pygame are important dependencies which are mentioned in this PDF file. If you download it, that's very good. I recommend you to read it. So we are going to download and install them. Python -m pip install Python, oh excuse me, pygame, right. Oh, requirement already satisfied, because I have already installed it, but I didn't remember. So we do the same job for Python. Python -m pip install Python. Yes, the Python is downloading and installing. That's very nice, right? Okay, good job. Now let's go to the second step, and we install this. It's very long to type, right? Better to copy. You should see all these steps on your command window, and if there were any problem, please check other versions of Python. Maybe it's not compatible with your version of Windows. For example, I don't know whether it works on Windows 10 or not. Mine is 8. Okay, come on. Yes, good job. And about the GStreamer, there is something which is mentioned here. We can skip the GStreamer because its size is really big, 120 megabytes, and I think we don't need it, so I skip it, and I recommend you to skip it too. So let's go through the Kivy itself. Install this. Oh, no, excuse me. Before installing Kivy, there is another step. Copy it and paste. Kivy angles. Yeah, very good. So installing Kivy itself. Oh, I made a mistake again. The same mistake, right? Okay, very good. And this is done too. And there is an optional installation which is Kivy examples. I installed them, and you can skip or install too. I don't think it will be very big in size. Is it? No. Yeah, very nice job. So now Kivy is installed and we can check it. For checking the Kivy whether it works or not, there is a very beautiful example. Just go to the initial page, and here down the page, this beautiful example. We're going to run this on our Python. Just Control New, Control V, Control Save, on desktop. I'll save it as my name, Ashkan Kivy project. Save. F5. Wow, that's all. One of the most sweetest messages in the world. Hello world. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed, guys, and it would be helpful for you. And now your Kivy is installed without any problem.